Hello everyone, I'm Masi Khairi and this is how to make Android mobile application, and welcome to episode 11. Okay guys, in this video we are going to cover shared preferences in Android. Shared preferences is the way that we can store and retrieve a small amount of data to a JSON file using can value in Android device. Okay guys, this is the form that we have created in the previous episodes. This is a sign up form, and in this episode we will store the data of these elements in the shared preferences. Let's start. Open the sign up project that we have created. In Java file, here are the components, and now create a Java class for the user. Here Java class, create some attributes for the user. Default value should be false. Okay guys, now create the strong getter for these variables. Okay guys, now it's finished. And now create a class for the shared preference, Java class, and the user shared preference manager. User shared preference manager. Okay, and then here create the constructor of this class. The first parameter is the name of the shared preference. Here is the name, and the second parameter is the mode. Okay guys, create another method to save the user data. Public void save user. A user parameter. Okay, now in here we need the shared preferences editor. Okay guys, now editor dot put a string. The first parameter is key and the second parameter is the value. Okay, now in here we need to create the keys. Okay guys, now in here the first parameter is the key. Here is the key, username key, and user.get username. Okay guys, now comment the editor, dot comment. Now finish and create another function to retrieve the data or get the user. Okay, create in here a user. Okay, and in here string the key, username key, and the second parameter is the default value. Default value should be false. Okay guys, and now return the user. The user shared preference manager class is finished, and now go to main activity. Okay guys, now in here we don't need this JSON object information or user information. We should create a shared preference manager object in here. Final shared user shared preference manager, pref manager. Okay guys, now in here we need to create a user in here. User. Okay, now in here user dot set username. This is the username, and user dot set password. This is the password. We don't need this skills anymore. In here user dot set Java expert true, and using the shared preference manager, pref manager dot save user. Okay guys, and now in here this shared preference should be in here. I'll remove the final, and there's a shared preference in here, and now run the app. Okay, now type the username and John's skill is Java and C#. Now create account. Okay, user data is stored in shared preference. Okay guys, and when you close the app, open the sign up form, Okay, when you open the app, the data should be read from the shared preference and shows in these components. Now in here create a user, use preference dot get user, and u dot get username, and for password set text u dot get password. Now for Java, okay guys, now it's finished and run the app. Okay guys, and here is the value that we stored in the shared preference, and we can change John. The skills of John is Python and Java. Remove the C#, create the account, and when you close the app, open it again, and now here is the data of shared preferences that load in these components. Okay guys, this is the usage of shared preferences in Android. Thank you for watching and share the video.